Today we're in Naples. Let's go have a look around.
So yes, Kevin said we're in Naples today. Most people go to Pompeii. We're not too keen about that. It's not something we want to see. We would have loved to go to Amalfi Coast, but it is quite far. And from what we've heard, the journey is tiring, and they rush to come back, and they really don't see much at all anyway. So we thought we might leave Amalfi Coast for another time. And we're just going to walk around Naples. I'm sure it's beautiful. We might have some pizza because pizza originated in Naples apparently. And see what we find in the old town. We always love the old towns.
Yes, we do. Oh look, they're selling tours.
Buongiorno signora, taxi?
No, thank you.
No?
Oh, good, thank you. Hello. Hello. Making our way down to the old town in Naples. Little square here with a few statues. Some angel riding a lion. Very busy. There's a castle thing over that way. So I'm guessing we'll go that way, if we can. That's,
I can't really see them that well, but one's gigantic compared to the other.
yeah, on the left, we're on that Symphony of the Seas.
I'm thinking of maybe just going back here.
It's very busy, very hectic.
If we ever came back here again, we could do a tour, I think.
Yeah, to somewhere else outside of the city. There's a couple of things to see, but yeah, it's very hectic, very busy. It didn't say it was going to be this cold, but the weather's changed on us. So, let's go.